Good evening and welcome to Usk. So we thought we'd nip out and do a quick 5-minute Friday vlog. So we came out to Usk to shoot the bridge that crosses the River Usk, as a bridge would. So, and I'm glad we did actually, because obviously Usk always prides itself on its flowers this time of year, and the bridge is well decked out with flowers. So we just, I did originally think we could shoot it from the non-Usk side of the river, if there's such a thing, but there's a lot of overgrown trees, we can't get close to the river basically. So we've just crossed over now into actually Usk town itself, and we're going to wander down the river, up the riverbank I should say. We're going to wander, oops, lost you there, wander up the riverbank a bit, so we're upstream of the bridge, and see what we can get. The river's moving a lot faster than I thought it'd do, a lot faster than I ever recorded it used to. So we might be able to put a filter on as well and get the water smoothed out a bit. So anyway, it's okay. Let's find a spot, set up, and get on with this. Okay, so we got the composition here. We've got the, I don't know if you can see behind me. I've got the river and the bridge in the background there, pretty much cutting right across my image. And then the riverbank here, sort of at my feet, is sort of coming from the bottom corner of my shot, up through the frame a bit. Let me turn the camera around, it'll be easier for you to see. Take the shot and see where it goes. Okay, quick look. Yep, that'll do us. A little bit blown out in the sky, but we may be able to do something in post shot with that. There we go, job done. That's us done then. A very quick, very short 5-minute Friday. But a nice shot all the same. Really nice evening as well. Beats sitting at home watching the television, that's for sure. Rather be out here any day of the week. So anyway, we'll catch you on the next one. See you soon.